Ulat palakasan tayo guys. Muling nag-cruise ang landas ni LeBron James at Kevin Durant sa presscon match-up. Nagpakitang gilas ang Suns nang talunin nila ang Lakers sa score na 123-100. Nagtala si Kevin Durant ng 21 puntos at tinalo ng Phoenix Suns ang Los Angeles Lakers sa score na 123-100 noong Webes ng gabi, October 19, 2023 sa larong naglagay kina Durant at LeBron James sa unang pagkakataon sa court sa loob ng halos 5 taon sa Palm Springs, California. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.
And Booker, let's go. It's too great atmosphere here tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, these fans here.
He nearly threw it away. Gordon's going to attack. They're part of the Red Sea. Catches, of course, flat. Phoenix has hit only 2. Durant in the Lakers. Make sure to catch the next telecast.